One of the things that we enjoy doing on Northwest Arkansas Alive is showing you exceptional homes. And today we're looking at a beautiful home away from home, the gorgeous and historic, luxurious Pratt Place Inn in Fayetteville.
Hi, welcome to Pratt Place.
You must be Caitlin Padilla.
Yeah, welcome, come on in.
Thank you, I've been looking forward to it. This is just such a beautiful, stunning place. Tell me all about Pratt Place.
Well, Pratt Place was originally built in 1895, and then the Pratt family bought it in 1900 and finished building it at that time. Here we are in the original part of the house from 1900.
And the views are gorgeous. You can see all the way to Bentonville, I heard.
Just about, yeah. We're on 140 acres, so between the view and the wildlife, it's amazing here. Well, let's go this way into our living areas. So this is one of our living rooms that we have. We have a few different areas to gather in. A lot of people come curl up with a book or a cup of coffee. So this goes up to our second floor. We have 5 rooms. So this is the original part of the home. So this is our Dogwood Room and our Redbud Room are both original to the home.
I'm anxious to see these fabric walls.
Well, all of our walls here are fabric, but this one is especially fun with the bright colors and the patterns.
So is. It's kind of got a French flair, doesn't it?
Yeah, and where else do you stay that it's just this fun?
I know. I just have to touch this.
Yeah, they're so soft. This is our Catalpa Room, which is one of our favorites, especially among brides. So right through here is our bathroom that everybody loves. We have the bathtub. Yes.
I love that.
Yes, our Italian marble bathtub with the matching vanities, those carved lions.
That is Cleopatra's bathtub.
Oh, have you heard that? Probably, yeah. Okay, so right out here we have one of our patios.
Yes, you do.
5 of our rooms
view.
have these patios. 3 of them are these extra large patios.
Now this is all in addition. This is not part of the original home.
Correct,
but it looks and feels as if it were.
It does. People are usually pretty surprised to hear that this was only built about 9 years ago. Yeah, so this balcony offers a great view of our property, of the trees in color, as well as an awesome view of our barn.
Right there.
Yeah,
Let's
right
go
there.
see it.
Okay, right this way.
Been out here many times for wonderful community events.
Yeah, we do a lot of events here. We had the Roots Festival here this year. We do a lot of nonprofit auctions, things like that, and of course, a lot of weddings.
Lots of good memories made in this barn.
Yes, for sure. We are so honored to be a part of people's special days. I mean, that's a day in your life you never forget, and for us to get to be a part of that is just amazing. Sometimes it's nonprofit organizations, it's concerts. We had Barrett Baber here last week doing a concert and all kinds of stuff, so let's head on in. It holds up to about 350 people, kind of depending on how you organize all the tables. So it's a great space, whether you have 100 or 300.
A lot of new beginnings that start here, wedding receptions, I love that. And this is a good way, though, to finish our show and tell you what an awesome place this is and how fortunate we are to have you part of Northwest Arkansas's community. So thank you, Caitlin.
Thank you for coming.
Wish you and everybody at Pratt Place the very best.
Thank you so much.